graphene, a layer of atoms arranged in a honeycomb structure. Thanks to this discovery, the world was introduced to a groundbreaking material that can change our world. Here's why. Graphene is the thinnest known material, only 1 atom thick. It would take 3 million sheets of it to equal the width of a pencil tip. Despite being the lightest known material, it's also the strongest, harder than diamond, and 200 times stronger than steel. It can bend, is almost entirely transparent. Graphene has proven to be an anti-corrosion coating for metal that is transparent, thinner, and longer lasting than anything that currently exists.
Loss of power, rough idle, and elevated emissions result more and more in expensive repairs.
Since the gasoline is injected directly into the cylinder, it doesn't wash over the intake valves and clean them like in traditional port fuel injection engines. This allows carbon to build up quickly on the valves. The result is reduced performance, loss of power, and eventually damage to the cylinder and other components. Alternative technologies to address this problem involve expensive processes like walnut shell blasting or manually cleaning the valves.
Nano gasoline diesel dynamic concentrating agent is the research outcome of liquid nano phase changing combination technology. The nano water drop will rapidly spread out. It increases octane number in compression stroke to avoid pre-burning and detonation. And the nano water drop will be vaporized immediately when the cylinder combustion chamber is lit up and exploded. Its powerful fluctuation efficiency is not only able to disintegrate the oil drop to make it be able to be burnt easily, but also block out the combination of nitrogen and oxygen in the high temperature. The accumulated carbon in the cylinder will be able to be eliminated effectively, and the exhaust emissions are overly reduced by 40 to 95%.
Works because it's injected directly into the air intake system, and it hits the back of the intake valves with powerful graphene, especially prone to carbon buildup on the valves. That gives you an opportunity to help your customers and increase your sales. So it's strong enough to remove the hard carbon deposits created by GDI engines,
including carbon accumulation in the engine, exhaust emissions. It solves all the problems in one go. Heavy oil consumption, detonation, and oil pipe blockage. The average oil saved is around 10 to 20%, with 25% reduction in CO2 emission, so that the power of the engine is enhanced. Engine temperature is reduced, oil consumption and maintenance fees are saved, and vehicle life cycle is extended for optimal performance. It is the clean energy for the new generation gasoline and diesel vehicles.
Well, that's it. Thanks for taking the time. We hope you'll make it a part of your regular service for your. We believe they'll appreciate that you've given them an affordable way to preserve their vehicle's performance and protect their investment.